Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have legal authorization or explicit consent to view call records. Once done, gather the exact phone number, billing account ID, service provider name, and the date range you need. You then log into the provider portal or the device backed by that account, enable two-factor authentication if prompted, and look immediately for call history, account activity, or export/download options to start retrieving records. Next, contact the carrier's support via phone or secure chat and explain you need detailed call records. Provide the account PIN, billing address, and photo ID as requested. Once connected, use any portal tools to request a CSV or PDF export of call history, or ask for a formal billing statement that includes call details. If you cannot access the account directly, prepare a written, notarized authorization to submit, so the carrier will process the request through their verification workflow. Finally, if the provider refuses or you lack authorization, obtain a formal denial in writing and escalate according to the carrier's procedures. Consult legal counsel to pursue a subpoena or court order when necessary. Once records arrive, save the exported files securely, verify timestamps, durations, and phone numbers against your request, and keep a clear chain of custody for legal use. Troubleshooting tip. If records seem incomplete, confirm the exact billing cycle and account identifiers, then reissue the request with corrected details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.